To begin with, and to obtain the modal analysis of the structure, the program will perform the respective analysis of accelerations, through each of the stories present in the project. And so, each of these levels should be correctly defined in a separated story. For instance, let's go to a Y and Z plane. Thus, let's just click on OK to accept, and run this first modal analysis. So we can verify, and do the relative simplicity of this model, that there aren't any problems related to the eigenvalues. Everything seems to be correct. Not finding any problems or inconsistencies for this first modal analysis. Let's continue then, and close this tool. And with this first analysis concluded, we've obtained also the respective series of loads and load combinations. Thus, let's